Here we have a cool one. This is coming via Reddit in the Praise the Cameraman subreddit. This is a very cool clip of someone capturing the light produced by a meteor in the dark. So you're just in the dark. You see a meteor, you pull out your phone, you start recording, and it looks like it's like a Batman signal or something. Look at that teal
Whoa.
kind of hue to it, but it looks like a perfect spotlight almost through the clouds.
Oh my God. This is insane. This looks so, it reminds me of that movie, Don't Look Up.
So you don't believe it? You think it's enhanced? Are you a conspiracy theorist?
That looks so crazy. Is this real?
Well, I don't know, Mo. You tell us.
I don't think this is real.
Mo, he calls fakery.
That's insane.
Well, what's your bet? Fake or real?
I mean, it's possible.
Here's what this here's what Praise the Cameraman is for. It's for sharing above average planned camera operation, capturing calculated recording angles, maintaining good camera control, general perception, also properly controlling what's in the frame. Interesting content is not necessarily a solid ground for giving praise.
Yeah, not enough credit there.
What?
No, I mean like this, these kind of Reddit subreddit things. Like there should be more praise to the cameramen who do it well.
Oh, you like
camera woman, whatever.
You
That's
like
what I'm talking about.
Wait a second. Praise.
Yeah.
Wait a second. Are you saying that the internet needs more praise and appreciation?
Yeah.
Are you sure it doesn't need more criticism and
I
hatred?
think, I guess specifically for this.
Okay. Well, let's see.
This is well captured.
Yeah, the person remains composed, and whether I don't know, are we believing it or not? I don't know, but if it is real, then yeah, to stay composed, get your camera out and follow it along like that.
Is there audio?
Relatively smoothly.
Is he like screaming or something?
Scroll down. Let's see what the 24 comments say. That's no meteor. That's the Green Lantern. So that guy's with Mo. That's clearly experiment 626 crash landing. Not a meteor, but space satellite debris. Meteors move a lot faster. Probably most do, but there could be a few that are slow or are matching the speed of the rotation of Earth as it flies around the sun. I suspect that's helicopter lights downward in low clouds.
Interesting.
Helicopter?
Wow, that's super fast for a helicopter. It's definitely not a helicopter.
Well,
I praise the cameraman.
What are people saying in the chat, Mo? Do we have any? Has anyone contributed? Maybe somebody.
You know what? A lot of people say hashtag I stand with Will.
Yeah, I stand with Will. Hashtag Will 2024.
Shout out to everybody.
So they agree with your interpretation, or they just stand with you no matter what?
Both.
Oh, both. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So it's a meteor.
The chat is flying.
So you believe it?
I believe it.
You believe it? It's a meteor. Okay, cool.
Yeah.